my friends, today we will do volcano experiment. Materials needed to make volcano experimental. This is eno. This is baking soda. This is vinegar. This is shampoo. This is orange color. Now we will do this experiment outside our house. Let's go outside. Vinegar reacts with baking soda to create bubbles of carbon dioxide gas, causing eruption. Magma, which is the molten rock inside the earth that erupts as lava onto the surface. This is my volcano. Please do this experiment outdoors. Vinegar reacts with baking soda to create bubbles of carbon dioxide gas, causing eruption. Magma, which is the molten rock inside the earth that erupts as lava onto the surface. This experiment is not only fun but also educational to teach kids about chemical reactions and the science behind volcanic eruptions. Do try it and let me know your experience. Thank you, friends. Bye. Hello, friends. Hi my friends, today we are... Hi my friends, this is Eno.